Jai Sriman Narayana. The following commentary I am about to give is by Ramanujadasa Sriman Gattu Venugopala Swami. Chapter 2 Sankhya Yoga Sloka 13.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरः तत्र न मुह्यति। Om.
Bhagavan Sri Krishna was teaching Arjuna that, Arjuna, we are currently residing in Deha or bodies. At the state of entering this body, the body was in the child state. Then after growing a little, the body is in a youth state. Then after growing some more, the body is in an elderly state. All these changes happen in the body. Do changes happen to us who are inside? No. Changes don't happen to us who are residing in this body. We always stay in the same manner and state, although the bodies we are residing in are constantly changing. We can observe that our bodies are changing, but we are unable to do anything to stop this from happening. We are also not affected by grief by these changes happening to our bodies either. Arjuna, just like how changes are taking place in the body as we progress through life stages and we don't grieve about those changes, similarly, we should not be grieving when we pass through another body to reside in after we leave this current body, as there is nothing we are able to do to stop that from happening. This is the truth that we must acknowledge. We are calling the act of leaving this body as death. We are calling the act of obtaining a new body and residing in it as birth or janma. Upon observing these Deha dharmas, do not tie this with Atma. Arjuna, those who are intelligent are those who have the firm conviction and knowledge that the body and Atma are different and that changes in the body don't have any effect on Atma, and they know that Atma is permanent and cannot be destroyed. The intelligent individual does not grieve about the Atma or when it departs from the current body. This is what Bhagavan Sri Krishna was teaching Arjuna. Through this sloka, the message and lesson we should understand and obey is that we should recall every day that we are not the same as our body. The body we have obtained is like our vehicle. Only when this vehicle is healthy and in good condition, we have the opportunity to reach our destination. What is our destination? Our destination is that which consists of an endless state of peaceful happiness. Who can give us this endless state of bliss? Only Bhagavan Sriman Narayana. So let us all immediately take refuge in Sriman Narayana. Let us all utilize our vehicle, our body, and practice serving Sriman Narayana.
देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरः तत्र न मुह्यति। Om. देहिनोऽस्मिन् यथा देहे कौमारं यौवनं जरा तथा देहान्तरप्राप्तिः धीरस्तत्र न मुह्यति। ओम श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।
The entire essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is given by Sri Krishna Paramatma in chapter 18 slokas 65 to 70 to do 8 things. Sri Krishna says, I love those who follow these 8 things. I will protect those devotees in all kinds of ways. After listening to all of Bhagavad Gita spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma, Arjuna says, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Krishna, I will do as you say. This is why Sri Krishna has bestowed Arjuna all kinds of successes and victories. Let's give Paramatma our oath that we will observe these 8 actions. There is no puja, tapas, or yajna that is greater than giving this word to Paramatma. I will say these 8 oaths we should make. You all please think this in your mind and heart. In this way of us giving Sri Krishna our word, let us all visualize Sri Krishna's face beaming with joy and feel bliss. Jai Shriman Narayana. These are our 8 promises. O Shriman Narayana, as you instructed, I will always meditate upon and think of you. O Sriman Narayana, as you advised, I will always be your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I will perform all my actions as service to you and for your satisfaction. O Sriman Narayana, as you said to follow, I have great faith that I belong to you, and I will always join my hands together and do namaskaram to you and worship you. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Mam Ekam Saranam Bhraja, that you said to surrender to you alone. Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I recall your words, Ma Suchaha, that you are giving us reassurance to not grieve. I shall no longer grieve. O Sriman Narayana, you have graced and blessed us all by delivering Srimad Bhagavad Gita for our sake. I promise to read or listen to at least one sloka daily. O Sriman Narayana, you delivered Gita to all humanity. I will try to spread your divine words in Gita to those devotees that are unfamiliar with Gita. We just made our 8 promises to Paramatma, giving Sriman Narayana our word each day that we will do as he says itself is a great puja. Let's give him our promise with our unshakable faith. O Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say. I will behave as you wish, and I will work only for you. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, which means, Sriman Narayana, I will act according to your instructions. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam Astu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let's spend 1 minute daily and read Narayana Astram. In order to obtain Narayana Astram, go to Narayana Astram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayana Astram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads or listens to their Narayana Astram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Sotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.